This week our letter is U, and U makes the sound And when you form capital U, our poem is capital U is just like a cup. Start by going down and then curve back up. And then lowercase u is curve down and then up and then down once more. Lowercase u is a cup ready to pour. So your child can choose an option to practice capital U and an option to practice lowercase u, or they can come up with their own activity. Just make sure you send a picture of it to me through Dojo. Our options this week are to form capital U or lowercase u with Play-Doh. So they can make little strips in their Play-Doh and form it into capital U or lowercase u. They can write capital U or lowercase u in salt or sugar. And they could write capital U or lowercase u on a window. So I can't find my picture that I usually use for this one. This girl's drawing pictures. So have them draw or write capital U or lowercase u a few times on the window, or our last option is always our handwriting page.